Have you ever imagined turning a light on and off just by touching a wire with your finger? No buttons, no microcontroller, no relay noise. Today, I'll show you a simple and powerful touch on-off circuit using an IRFZ44N MOSFET that controls a 12-volt LED light. This circuit is fast, reliable, and incredibly fun to build. Welcome to ElectroTechi, where simple electronics become smart ideas. What is a MOSFET? Before we build the circuit, let's understand the heart of this project, the IRFZ44N MOSFET. A MOSFET is a voltage-controlled device. That means a tiny voltage on the gate pin can control a large current flowing from drain to source. Think of it like this. Your finger gives a small signal, and the MOSFET does the heavy work. That's why MOSFETs are widely used in LED drivers, motor controllers, power supplies, automation circuits. The IRFZ44N is an N-channel power MOSFET. It can handle high current, high-power 12-volt systems easily. And most importantly, its gate is sensitive enough to respond to a human touch. That's what makes this project possible. Now let's understand the circuit step by step. The source pin of the MOSFET connects to ground, negative. The drain pin connects to the negative terminal of the 12-volt LED. The positive terminal of the LED connects directly to plus 12 volts. The gate pin is left open for touch input. When you touch the gate pin, your body introduces a small voltage. This voltage is enough to turn the MOSFET on, and current flows from drain to source, lighting up the LED instantly. How touch control works. You might be wondering, how can a human touch control a circuit? Your body acts like a tiny capacitor, a weak voltage source. When you touch the gate pin, the MOSFET senses that voltage and reacts immediately. This is a perfect example of how sensitive electronics can be and how powerful MOSFETs really are. Watch closely. I touch the gate, the LED turns on. No delay, no mechanical switch, just pure electronic magic. A few important tips. Keep wiring short and clean. You can improve this project by adding a latch circuit, using it as a touch lamp, controlling fans or LED strips. So today, you learned how to build a touch-on-off 12-volt LED circuit using an IRFZ44N MOSFET. This project proves that even a human touch can control power electronics. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, subscribe to ElectroTechi. Until next time, keep learning, keep experimenting, and keep creating.